Look at this toolbox, guys. Nice, beautiful toolbox. And the drawers feel nice. $1,500, almost $1,600 plus you're gonna get it. You're gonna have to pay tax on top. Like this bottom drawer, pretty big. Look at this yellow one right here. This looks nice. Look like a bumblebee. 200 lbs. Look at these drawers. They feel nice. Look at this red one. Ooh, catchy. It really catches your eyes. The jaws are really nice and they lock in there. And you got the power drawer right there. Look at that. You could put USB, charge your phone in there. $1,000. Power drawer. No, look, they got 2 power drawers. Well, 1 power drawer with power on the top also. You can put your laptop, charge your phone. These drawers, look at that. Look how they close up. When they close in, they smoothly go in, lock in. They're really hard to pull out. But look at that. A lot of colors here, guys. $679 plus tax. This one feels a little light, a little cheap, but the other ones was really nice. And the lid closes on the top. You can have your laptop scan tool in there. Pretty good. Nice tools. CRAFTSMAN. I believe they got guarantee too, just like any other tools. You got to keep your receipt with you. Really into this red one right here. And you got this big one like bumblebee. Power drawer. I mean, not power drawer, but the top closes. You can put your scan tool in there. Yeah, more. You got toolbox all around you here, guys. If you like something, you want to start off to be a mechanic, you want to set up your tools, great place to come buy your stuff. If you're a Snap-on guy, go ahead, Snap-on guy. Bottom drawer right here is really big. Usually bottom drawer end up having all this garbage. Nice. These are nice, really nice. Come visit Sears, guys, and take a look, all right? Before you spend like $10,000, $15,000 with Snap-on. Look at this bottom drawer. And the colors are nice. Red on black. Black on red. However you want to say it. I like it. And I might get one of these down the road. Look at that. You're trapped in a little trap. These boxes are going to get you. Alright guys, subscribe, share, and like all my videos. If you have any questions, let me know, alright? And I will see you on the next one. And check out these toolboxes, guys. Bye-bye.